Boxing Day. There's a couple of things out in the garden. Windflowering jasmine, and if I look a little bit further up here, I can show you this windflowering cherry. So that's something nice, isn't it? And then later on, just take you to the top. I've got some mahonia coming out, and that'll come out in the next couple of months. And if it's still in flower, it's one of the first things that the bees come for. So there we are. And I've noticed I've got some bulbs coming through. And on the back of the ferns, there's all the spores to create some more. I've got quite a few ferns, and there's quite a few bulbs coming through. So that'll be lovely. So all the leaves still down off of the tree, and it's looking a bit raggy. I've popped a little grid over the top of those because the blackbirds tend to pull the shoots out, but there's loads of things coming through, all things to look forward to. If you look there, there's a hellebore coming out. Quite a few hellebores. There we are. Not a lot going on this side, but still, it is winter. I can hear the blackbirds. You see some more of the windflowering jasmine over there, and on this side as well. So that makes me happy. Bye.